Hi guys, it's Alex from AWC. Today we've got an unbelievable lineup of cars, a Porsche GT3, a GT3 Touring, a Ferrari F8 Tributo and a brand new 992 GTS. All have got different stories about the, what they're coming here for and the different packages. So I'm just going to run you through and show you around the amazing cars we've got in today. Starting off with the 992 GT3 Touring. This one's got full car paint protection film. It's now got a ceramic coating on top. The wheel faces have been coated and also the interior. Very good friend of ours, and he had a GT4 before. We do various road trips to Wales across the year as well. And that's kind of what we like to do as a bit of a culture thing here at AWC. A lot of our clients are friends or become friends after they've visited here, and we kind of stay in touch and do different car events and create a real kind of buzz around what we do. And that's a real important thing to me as well. Instead of just creating a service, it's more of an experience. Next to GT3, we've got this Ferrari F8 Tributo. Now this is a returning customer of ours. Just did his previous car last week, and this one's had front end paint protection film. So it's an F8 Tributo, which was the Ferrari 488 successor, if I'm correct. It's an unbelievable spec. It's got the carbon fiber wheels, which is super rare. And like I said, front end paint protection film. So all the carbon fiber, the bumper, all the bonnet mirrors and down the underside of the sides have been protected. And that just means that the customer can use the car, hasn't got to worry about stone chips, tears to the paint or anything like that. It's also self-healing, so 10-year warranty from Xpel, which is the product that we use. And that 10-year warranty covers delamination, cracking, yellowing, peeling, anything like that. Next to F8, we've got this 992 GTS. Now this is quite an interesting one because it's a manual, 2024. It's got 5,000 miles on the clock, and a returning customer again of roughly 6 to 7 years, and we've done about 5 cars for him. Bought the car, was really disappointed with the finish. It was very surprising actually. He bought it from Porsche main dealer, and usually they have a specification that if there's too many chips on the front, they respray. Not really sure how this one kind of filtered through to be sold as it was. But scratches all across every single panel, around the door handles, around the badges. The front end was really chipped up as well. Customer didn't want to respray it, but did want to protect it and put PPF on, plus do a detail. So we've done some very specialist work on this one, involving wet sanding the front, so small chip areas. We've put paint in, we've then sanded it and polished it, basically made the best of what we've got as a base. And then we're going to PPF all the front, ceramic coat all the rest, and that will look like a car that's better than showroom condition. So that's what we love to do. We love to have a car that's got a bit of a story behind it, and perhaps a bit of an unhappy customer from when they've purchased it before, and turn that into someone who's absolutely thrilled with the results of their new vehicle. On my left hand side is a GT3, so same variation as the 992 GT3 Touring behind, but this one's with a wing. This one's a manual, that one's a PDK, and this one's been here for front end paint protection film, all down the sides, and some what we call our track pack really. So anywhere that when it goes on track or for a B-road blast is going to get chipped is protected. So front of the roof, A-pillars, mirrors, bonnet, bumper, wings, and down the sides. The rest of the car is going to be ceramic coated, and as a flat black car, so with no metallic, the gloss on this is going to look unbelievable. And yeah, just generally this week, we've just been really cool to work on such amazing cars. Always looking for more projects. So if you've got a vehicle that you're looking to protect, or just want advice on paint protection film, even if you're not local, do drop us a call on 01702 219 694. And if you'd like to keep up to date with everything AWC, follow us on Instagram. That's where we're most active, AWC Car Detailing, not .co.uk.